today we are here at Daytona, but the race has been canceled as we speak because of a hurricane that had hit last night. Now, the hurricane has caused a bunch of debris all over the track, and that's what has caused this race to be canceled. And there's just the track is just tore up, and they're showing you turn 3 and 4 right now, and it's rough, and it's like this the entire track all the way around. It's just not looking too good. We will have a makeup race at Phoenix Raceway this weekend, and we will make this race up sometime this season. Now you're showing you the front stretch of the track. Now this is the back stretch and what it looks like. Looks completely tore up. It's not looking good. We will have to paint, or not paint, but we'll have to put some more pavement down. Tore the pavement up, and it's so bad looking now after that hurricane. So the race will be at Phoenix this weekend, and it's gonna make this race up sometime this season. And the hurricane just done really bad, but we'll see you guys at Phoenix Raceway. See ya.